It's Neil Sarath, and I'm one of the co-founders of First Resonance. If you're an engineer working in manufacturing, often a part of your role is to write and also maintain process documentation. You can do this via our product, ION Procedures. If you click on Procedures, you jump into a home page that's basically relevant to you, but also your organization. You can see every single procedure written here, the release status, who wrote it, and also what version it's currently on. You could also go create a new procedure, which I'll dive into now. If I click on engine controller assembly, you can see here an engineer's already started drafting their work instructions. Step by step, you could add text, images, and also video, and also data collection fields. This allows you to scale your data management from day one. If you start collecting data in a very systematic way, not only can you normalize the data, but you could also start using it for further analysis and continuous improvement. Another part where traditional work instructions in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel breaks down is it's very serial. But in manufacturing, often things can happen in series and some things happen in parallel. As an engineer, you can go define that workflow. Once you write out your instructions, start connecting up your workflow and start defining those series and parallel operations for the technician. That technician has no guesswork involved. They could actually start executing the instructions, and our software will automatically direct them to what's the next step. Whether you want to use our software to get it down the production floor or simply write them here and take it out via paper, you can do so here with the print functionality. Other critical features as well is version control to understand what version you're on of this process, what's been released out in production and who released it as well, and review and approvals. If you add a colleague, your manager, a supervisor, they simply receive an email or Slack notification. They can not only reject or approve it, but also add their commentary so you actually know how to improve this process. This is work instructions and procedures in ION. The next video will show how to schedule out these operations, whether you want to print it out or use our software to go schedule out those operations. You can very simply do so. Thank you so much.